In this video, we are going to see ARP inspection in Commando Marshall C3500 series routing switches. So ARP inspection is security feature that validate ARP packets in a network. This ARP inspection intercept, log and discard ARP packet with invalid IP to MAC address binding. This capability protects the network from some man-in-middle attacks and ensures only valid ARP request and response are relayed. Commando switch perform these activities by interception of all ARP request and response on the untrusted ports, verify that each intercepted packet has a valid IP to MAC address binding before updating the local ARP cache or before forwarding the packet to the appropriate destination. Drop the invalid ARP packets. So how to do it? For that you have to configure the switch with the command configure terminal. Go to the global configuration mode. Let us create the VLAN 2 by giving the command VLAN database and VLAN 2. So I have created the VLAN 2. Now I want I will go to interface configuration. So interface ETH-0-1 and I will assign the membership of this port to VLAN 2. Then for other port, let us say ETH-0-2. Also I want to have the membership to VLAN 2. For interface 3, same. By default, all the ports are the member of VLAN 1. Then I will run the command configure terminal IP ARP inspection trust. IP ARP inspection VLAN 2 and IP ARP inspection validate source MAC address and IP source MAC address and destination MAC address. So this way I will have the global configuration for ARP inspection for VLAN 2. In interfaces, we will go to interface, let us say ETH-0-1 and I will say IP ARP inspection trust. So this way I have configured the trust for interface ETH-0-1. So source MAC address and destination MAC address which are validated are only can be allowed. I can create an access control list. Let us say ARP access list commando and deny. I can have any deny request. Deny request IP host, let us say 10.10.10.10 MAC any. So I can have such access control list and we can see all this configuration by giving the command show IP ARP inspection. So you can see right now there is no member attached to this port. We can also have the show IP ARP inspection log. So we can see the log buffers if I connected any of the interface. The commando switch also uses dynamic ARP inspection, comparing incoming ARP message with two sources of data, the DSCP snooping binding table and any configured ARP ACS like we have configured in this. So if the incoming ARP message does not match the tables in the commando switch discard the ARP message to prevent certain types of attack that leverage the use of IP ARP messages. DA is a security feature that validates ARP packets in the network, and this intercept, logs and discard ARP packet with invalid IP to MAC address bindings. And this capability protect the network from man in middle attacks. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.